Put the sausage down in there. Like that. Mmm. Starting to sizzle already.
Okay guys, may niluluto si Dave. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag diyan. Kaya siya yung ating chef for tonight. So what are you looking for there? Yan guys, pagluluto daw niya ako. So what do we have there?
We have Hungarian sausage.
Hungarian.
Yep.
And
We have Hungarian sausage in our house.
there's the Hungarian guys. Yan na guys. Be careful, huh? It's hot.
Which one is that one? This one?
No, yeah. No. That, yeah. Ayaw mo pang haluin. Nasusunog na yung niluluto mo.
Maybe just a little bit of oil. There's not a lot of grease in these. Doesn't seem to be. Give me a little of that canola oil. Doesn't do anything.
Yan. Siya mo ng aking chef. Nice one, honey. Maliit yung kanyang upuan. At mababa. Yan. Hintayin natin maluto, guys. Balikan ko kayo mamaya-maya. So, ito na, guys. Yung kanyang mga gulay. Nandyan na sa loob. May bell pepper. May carrots. Repolyo. May oregano leaves. And celery. And then the Hungarian sausage right there.
You know this has got buffalo in it? You know that?
No?
Meat is buffalo and pork. Very little grease in it. That's amazing.
Yeah.
I like that. I thought it would be more grease. That's why I didn't put any in there.
No, you should put some oil.
Well, they don't have to if it's got a lot of grease in it. A lot of sausage has a lot of grease, you know.
Yeah, but that is not like that. No grease at all. So, it's good for you, you know? Yan, guys. Habang nagluluto, chikahan muna kami. Ayan. Hihintay niyang maluto yung Hungarian sausage, guys. At pagkatapos nun, ilagay na niya yung mga gulay.
You have another bowl. I really need to put this cabbage in another bowl.
Okay, hold on, guys.
I don't want to.
So, yan guys, siniwalay niya yung repolyo kasi madali kasing maluto yung repolyo kaya kailangan niya na ihiwalay. So, yan guys, yung kanyang mga gulay. Yan. At yung niluluto niya, hindi niya na nahalo. Maybe that's enough. Ayaw niyang pinapakialaman siya, kaya hayaan ko na lang siyang magluto dyan. Give me this one. So yun guys, patay ang kutsara. Be careful, ah.
I don't want to cook the spoon.
Ay, nako. Ayan na. Nilagay na yung gulay.
Look at that. Look at that.
Natutuwa siya guys sa kanyang niluluto. So good. I want the soup. Yan. You have to saute that first. Yan na yung niluluto niya guys. Habangan natin ang kalalabasan ng kanyang niluluto. Ooh, yummy.
Move that out of the way.
Oh, wasted. Waiting na siya, guys. So yan, guys. Waiting tayo, guys. At meron siyang ano dito, sabaw. At ilalagay niya dyan.
You gotta have more than one burner. It works on this brand new.
Yan, halo-halo. Halo-haluin.